Welcome to Casual Talk English. Here you will learn real English through simple, everyday conversations. No grammar pressure, no textbooks, just natural English you can actually use. Let's talk and learn together.
Hey, Kylie, how's it going today?
Hey, Jordan, I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I just finished my morning coffee, so I'm all energized now.
Nice. Coffee's essential, right? I always need mine too.
Absolutely. So what have you been up to lately?
Well, something funny happened yesterday. I was talking with my friend Maria, she's from Brazil and she's learning English, and she kept using the word about in really strange ways.
Oh, really? Like how?
Well, she said things like, I'm thinking in this problem instead of I'm thinking about this problem. And it made me realize that the word about is actually really complicated.
Oh, wow, yeah. About is such a small word, but we use it in so many different ways.
Exactly. I tried to explain it to her, but I realized I didn't really know all the rules myself. I just use it naturally because I've spoken English my whole life.
That's so true. We don't think about these things until someone asks us to explain them.
Right. So I've been thinking about the word about a lot since then.
I see what you did there. You just used about twice in that sense.
I did. I said thinking about and about a lot. See, it's everywhere.
It really is. Should we talk about all the different ways we use about? I think that could be really helpful for people learning English.
That's a great idea. Let's do it. So, where should we start?
Well, I think the most common way we use about is when we're talking about a topic or subject of something.
Yes, like when we say, this book is about history, or we're talking about the weather.
Exactly. It shows what the topic is. Like, what's this movie about? Or tell me about your day.
Right. That's probably the usage that people learn first. It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, but then it gets more complicated, right?
Oh, yeah, it definitely does. Like, we also use about to mean approximately or around.
Oh, that's a good one. Like when we say it's about 3 o'clock, or there were about 50 people at the party.
Exactly. It means not exactly that number, but close to it.
Right. So if I say, I'll be there in about 10 minutes, I mean approximately 10 minutes, maybe 9 or maybe 11.
Yes. And we use it with distances too, like the store is about 2 miles away.
Or this table is about 6 feet long.
Exactly. You know what's interesting? We can also say around instead of about in those cases.
Oh, you're right. Around 3 o'clock or around 50 people.
Yeah, they're pretty much interchangeable when we're talking about approximate numbers or times.
That's true. But we don't always use around instead of about in other contexts.
Right, like we can't say this book is around history.
No, that doesn't work at all. It has to be about history.
Exactly. So about and around are only similar when we're talking about approximate amounts.
Good point. What about the phrase, how about? We use that all the time.
Oh, yes. How about is so common. We use it to make suggestions, right?
Yeah, like, how about we get pizza for dinner? Or, how about going to the movies?
Exactly. It's a friendly way to make suggestions or ask someone's opinion.
Right. Like if someone asks, what should we do this weekend? You could say, how about visiting the museum?
Yes. And we can also use it to ask someone about themselves, like, how about you? What do you think?
Oh, that's true. If I say, I love Italian food, how about you? I'm asking what you like.
Exactly. So, how about can be used for suggestions or to turn the question back to the other person.
That's really useful. And there's also what about, which is similar but a little different.
Yes. What about is also used for suggestions, like, what about trying that new restaurant?
Right. And we also use what about when we're concerned about something or reminding someone of something they forgot.
Oh, yeah. Like, if someone says, let's go to the party tonight, you might say, what about your homework? Did you finish it?
Exactly. Or what about your mom? Did you call her back?
Yes, so what about can show concern or remind someone of something important.
That's a good distinction. How about is more for suggestions, and what about can be for suggestions or concerns.
Right, although they do overlap sometimes.
True. Oh, and we also use about with a lot of common verbs.
Yes, like think about, talk about, worry about, care about.
Learn about, hear about, read about, write about.
There are so many. And the thing is, you can't just remove the about from these phrases.
Right. You can't say, I'm thinking my job. It has to be, I'm thinking about my job.
Exactly. That's what my friend Maria was struggling with. She kept forgetting to include about.
That makes sense. In some languages, you don't need that extra word.
True. So for English learners, they have to memorize which verbs need about after them.
Yeah, it's one of those things you just have to learn through practice.
Definitely. Oh, what about the phrase be about to? That's a really useful one.
Oh, yes, be about to means something is going to happen very soon.
Right. Like, I'm about to leave means I'm leaving right now, in the next minute or two.
Or the movie is about to start means it's starting very soon. Get ready.
Exactly. It shows that something is imminent, like it's happening immediately.
That's a great way to describe it. So if I say, we're about to eat dinner, it means dinner's ready and we're sitting down right now.
Yes. Not in an hour, not in 10 minutes, but right now.
Right. And we can use it in the negative too. I'm not about to do that means I really don't want to do it. I refuse.
Oh, that's interesting. Like, I'm not about to apologize when I didn't do anything wrong.
Exactly. It's a way of saying you're determined not to do something.
That's a bit more advanced usage, but yeah, we definitely use it that way.
For sure. What about the phrase, what's it all about? Like in that old song.
Oh, yeah. What's it all about, Alfie? That's a classic.
Right? When we ask, what's it all about, we're asking about the meaning or purpose of something.
Yes. Like, what's life all about? Means, what's the meaning of life? What's the purpose?
Or in a less philosophical way, if someone's explaining something confusing, you might say, what's this all about? I don't understand.
Exactly. It's asking for clarification or the main point.
Right. Thinking for a moment, we also use about when we're describing someone who's moving around in a place.
Oh, like walking about or running about?
Yes, we say things like, the kids were running about the yard, or she was walking about the house.
That's true. Although I think we use around more often in American English, like walking around or running around.
You're right. British English uses about more in that context.
Yeah, like he was wandering about the city sounds more British.
True. Americans would probably say wandering around the city.
But we still understand both versions, of course.
Definitely. Oh, here's another one. Something about someone. We use this to describe a quality that someone has.
Oh, yes. Like, there's something about her that I really like.
Exactly. It means there's a quality, but you can't quite put your finger on exactly what it is.
Right. Or, there's something about this place that feels familiar.
Yes, it's kind of mysterious or undefinable.
That's a nice way to describe it. It's often used when you have a feeling about something but can't explain exactly why.
Exactly. And there's also the phrase, what do you say about, which is asking for someone's opinion.
Oh, yeah. What do you say about going out tonight? Or what do you say about this idea?
Right. Although we might also just say, what do you think about, which is more common.
True. What do you think about this is probably more common than what do you say about this?
Yeah, but both work.
Definitely. Thinking about it, you know what's kind of tricky? The phrase go about something.
Oh, that's a good one. Go about means how you do something or approach something.
Right. Like, how do you go about learning a new language?
Exactly. It's asking about the method or process.
Or, he went about his work quietly, means he did his work in a quiet way.
Yes, so go about is related to the manner or method of doing something.
That's right. And we also have set about, which means to begin doing something.
Oh, yeah. Set about cleaning the house means she started cleaning.
Exactly. Set about and go about are similar, but set about emphasizes the beginning.
Good distinction. These phrasal verbs with about can be tricky.
They really can be. Thinking about it, oh, what about come about? That means to happen, right?
Yes. How did this situation come about means how did it happen?
Right. The accident came about because of the rain, means the rain caused the accident to happen.
Exactly. So come about is like happen or occur.
Yes. Thinking about it, there's bring about, which means to cause something to happen.
Oh, right. The new law brought about many changes.
Exactly. So come about is when something happens, and bring about is when someone or something causes it to happen.
That's a helpful distinction. One is passive, one is active.
Exactly. Thinking about it, this is making me realize how many phrases use about.
I know, right? We've been talking for a while and we keep finding more.
It's true. Let me think of more. Oh, what about know about versus just know?
Oh, that's interesting. What's the difference?
Well, I know John means I'm acquainted with him. I've met him.
Right. And I know about John means I've heard information about him, but maybe I've never met him.
Exactly. Like, I know about that famous actor. Doesn't mean I've met him, just that I know information about him.
That's a really important distinction. So know is personal acquaintance and know about is having information.
Yes. Although we can also say, I know about quantum physics, which means I have some knowledge of that subject.
Right. You couldn't say I know quantum physics without the about.
Well, actually, you could, but it would mean you understand it completely.
Right. I know quantum physics sounds like you're an expert.
Yeah. And I know about quantum physics sounds like you know some things, but you're not necessarily an expert.
Exactly. So know about is more modest in a way.
That's a good way to put it. Thinking about it, what about hear about versus hear?
Oh, similar thing. I heard the news means I received the information.
And I heard about the news also means you received it, but maybe through someone else telling you.
Right. Did you hear about what happened is a common way to start sharing information.
Exactly. Like, did you hear about Sarah's promotion?
Exactly. Although, honestly, hear and hear about are often pretty interchangeable in casual conversation.
Yeah. Thinking about it, here's another one. Care about.
Yes, I care about you means you're important to me. I have feelings about your well-being.
Right. You can't just say, I care you. It doesn't work without the about.
Exactly. The about is essential there.
And I don't care about that means it's not important to me. I'm not interested.
Right. Like, I don't care about sports means sports don't interest me.
Exactly. Smiling, you know, we also use about in some expressions with time.
Oh yeah? Like what?
Well, it's about time is something we say when something should have happened earlier.
Oh, right. Like if your friend is always late and they finally show up, you might say, it's about time.
Exactly. It's kind of sarcastic, showing that you've been waiting a long time.
Right. It's about time you cleaned your room. Means you should have done it earlier.
Yes, so it's about time is used to express that something is overdue.
That's a useful expression. And we can also say just about, which means almost or nearly.
Oh, yes, I'm just about finished with my work.
Or dinner's just about ready.
Exactly. It means very close to complete, almost done.
Right. We're just about there means we're almost at our destination.
Yes, so just about is similar to almost or nearly.
That's right. Oh, and there's also roundabout, which means approximately.
Yes, although that's maybe a bit less common. I'll see you round about 5 o'clock.
Right. It's kind of old-fashioned or more British, maybe.
Yeah, Americans would probably just say around 5 or about 5.
True. But it's good to know it exists.
Definitely. You know what else? We use about when we're talking about being physically present in a place.
How do you mean?
Like, is anyone about? Means, is anyone here? Is anyone around?
Oh, that's more British English, right?
Yes, I think so. Like, is your dad about? Means, is your dad home or nearby?
Right. Americans would probably say, is your dad around or is your dad here?
Exactly. But again, both versions work.
For sure. Smiles. This has been really interesting. I never realized how many ways we use about.
Me neither. It's such a small word, but it does so much work in English.
Absolutely. And I think the tricky part for learners is that you can't always translate it directly from other languages.
Right. Like in some languages, you might not need a word like about after certain verbs.
Exactly. So it's something you have to learn in context by seeing examples.
Definitely. The best way is to learn phrases like think about, talk about, worry about as complete units.
I agree. Don't try to memorize rules, just memorize the common phrases.
Yes, and listen to how native speakers use it in conversations, movies, songs.
That's great advice. The more you hear it, the more natural it becomes.
Exactly. So, if you had to give one tip to learners about using about, what would it be?
Thanks. I think I would say pay attention to which verbs are commonly followed by about, because that's where a lot of mistakes happen.
That's good advice. Like memorizing that we say think about, not just think.
Right. And talk about, worry about, care about, learn about.
Yes, those are so common in everyday conversation.
Exactly. What would your tip be?
I think I would say don't be afraid to use about when you're talking about a topic or subject. That's the most basic use, and it's almost always correct.
That's true. This conversation is about the word about.
Yes, exactly. Perfect example.
So if you're not sure and you're talking about a topic, about is probably the right choice.
Yes, and then learn the other uses gradually as you hear them.
That's a good approach. Don't try to learn everything at once.
Right, just take it step by step.
Exactly. Well, I think we've covered a lot about today.
We really have. From the basic use as a topic, to approximate numbers, to all those phrasal verbs.
And expressions like how about, what about, it's about time.
Yes, it's been quite comprehensive.
I hope this helps people understand about better. It's such an important word in English.
Me too. And remember, everyone watching or listening, don't stress too much about getting it perfect.
Right. Even if you make mistakes, people will usually understand what you mean.
Exactly. The important thing is to keep practicing and learning.
Absolutely. And pay attention to how about is used in the English you hear around you.
Yes, listen to conversations, watch movies, read books. You'll start to notice it everywhere.
You really will. Now that we've talked about it so much, I'm probably going to notice it in every sentence.
Me too. I'll be listening to people and thinking, oh, there's about again.
Exactly. Well, what are you up to for the rest of the day?
Oh, I'm going to meet my friend Maria again, actually. I want to help her more with her English.
That's nice of you. Are you going to talk to her about?
Maybe. At least now I feel more prepared to explain it.
I'm sure she'll appreciate it. Learning all the little details like this really helps.
Definitely. What about you? What are your plans?
I'm going to go for a run in about an hour, and then maybe read for a while.
Nice. Enjoy your run.
Thanks. Well, this has been a great conversation. Thanks for talking about this with me.
Thank you too. It was actually really fun to analyze such a simple word.
I agree. Sometimes the simple things are the most interesting when you look closely at them.
Absolutely. All right, I should get going. Have a wonderful day, Jordan.
You too, Kylie, and good luck helping your friend with her English.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.